So this is the box I've received my wind deflectors in. It's actually a pretty big box, but yeah, Heko or Heko wind deflectors in there. I need to undo that. There's some little fasteners in there, so I'll get some scissors. Just cut that off, toss that to one side, and then yeah, all sellotape together. But I'm gonna stick them on the car, get them unwrapped. First thing to do is put the window down all the way. So here I've got a wet cloth or like a anti-bac wipe. I'm just going through all the little runners where the window sits and just clearing out any of the dirt or debris that's collected there over time. Once you've used the wet one, you can switch over to like a dry like paper towel or a tissue just to soak up any of the moisture that the wet wipe left behind, and that will clean that little groove up nicely, ready for your fasteners and your wind deflector to sit in the groove. Each wind deflector has these little double-sided sticky tape tabs. Just peel each one off and work your way along. And slot it in. The back windows on my car are easier than the front windows. But, you want to sort of pull the deflector towards you so the sticky tabs are making contact with the window frame. This is a little metal fastener. You get 2 per wind deflector, so there should be 8 in total for my car. The little spiky bit sits on the felt side, so the inside of the door, and that sort of like digs into that felt and stops the clip falling out. Also helps push against the wind deflector to hold it in place. This is a little trim removal tool. I'm going to use it to just push those clips further up into the door frame. Oh, that one fell out. Make sure the teeth on the clips are like protruding a little bit. If they're not protruding, then it's not going to hold in place. That's why that one fell out. So this is what it looks like after it's finished. I recommend putting the windows up, letting the like double-sided sticky tape do its job, because once the window's up, it's pushing the plastic in place. So I recommend doing that, then waiting like 5 minutes or so, and then put the metal clips up into the frame of the window. So yeah, pretty happy with that. This one was a bit tight, a bit awkward down here, but once I got it in, it was a bit tight down there, but yeah, once I got it in, it was quite smart. I feel like this one's less likely to fall out. This one, I don't know, the gap here to put the metal clip in isn't as thick as I thought it'd be. The metal clip sits down a little bit lower. Hopefully it'll be right, but if not, you can buy more clips on YouTube, on eBay. So I'll put a link to them. You can also buy them on Amazon, I think. I'll put a link to them. I'll put a link to these, and I'll put a link to the little tool I use to squish the metal clips in place. So check out the links below. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Cheers.